Oke guys, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, today we're gonna tell about design in Affinity and versus Canva.
Figma.
Figma. Sorry, Figma. Yeah, Affinity versus Figma. Today we not debat not debate, but we just for opinion what's good for design, Affinity or Canva. Figma. Astagfirullah Figma. Sorry. Okay. In here there is Haidar too. He is will give opinion about Figma first, and we will give opinion for Affinity. Yeah.
Maybe start from Kenji. How apa ya? Desain lah pokoknya
Yeah,
from Kenji lah.
The first,
Figma first lah.
the first, I the first when I first time using Affinity, I think that is more useful and more how to say lengkap lah. From more from Figma. Yeah, because Figma Affinity, the tool of Affinity is so many, and then there is Vector Studio and then Pixel Studio. But not in Figma itu not just like not useful, but in Figma is can make illustration. Maybe in Affinity we can make illustration, because in Affinity there is maybe brush, and then
Yes.
there is pen tool and then pencil tool. Maybe in Figma there is no brush.
There is no.
There is no. But in Figma there is pen tool and then pencil tool. Maybe like that for the Affinity. For you, for design.
For design in Affinity for official pemula ya, this maybe Heaven lah. Habisnya mending Figma first for design.
New
people designer. In Figma this is like Affinity, but in the Figma simple, and then you make poster, make what make others lah. This for people first design first design. And then in Affinity you want to make illustrasi, make poster, make others. There is you can make that you harus
Mas.
Mas Pro lah.
Okay. For
In the Figma too, you can make UI UX.
The how to say more useful in Figma, but not in Affinity. The one that one is UI UX. The UI UX is can make in Figma, because in Figma there is any animation,
Yes.
then delay, and then the more others lah. But in Affinity you cannot make like that. Because in Affinity there is no animation, delay, and then more and then for Affinity is more useful the tool, and then more many dari Figma ya. And then we maybe bahas Figma ya, how to say bahas Figma.
Maybe Figma first, and then Affinity. In the Figma there is UI UX, and then I will spill tipis-tipis the Figma application. The Figma in the Figma there is what ya? There is page for design. There is story IG, story store apa tuh? Instagram post, and then Facebook. There is so many. But in Affinity, little. Just like that lah. What Affinity ya?
Yeah.
I will go to Affinity. In the Affinity, there is no but ya IG story apa page yang for IG story, terus Instagram post terus Facebook kayak gitu. There is no. There is yes like A3, A4, A5 and others. In the Affinity, we yesterday after make illustration, we kan yes lumayan, harusnya lumayan,
Yeah.
ya harusnya lumayan lama use Figma. I try to use Figma, but yes cannot make illustration. In the Affinity, yes good lah for make illustration.
And then if my opinion for Figma and Canva ya, for Figma there is so if in Figma there is already make the artboard. Yeah, we can make the page and then we make so many page in there. But in Affinity we must make artboard first. Artboard for the page for artboard, and then the page there is limit. Yeah. But in Figma there is no. Yeah. In Affinity, and we just can choose paper for 1/4, like either say 1/4, 1/3, F8, yeah, A4, and then yeah, how to say in Indonesian we say A4 and then A3, yeah, like that lah. But in Affinity, we just can make the frame with manual ya, when with manual design. But in Figma there is size ya, the size ya. And then in Figma too there is Instagram post, Facebook post, and then presentation. If in Affinity I don't we not learn for make a presentation, yeah, make a presentation in Affinity. But if we want to make presentation now is with using Canva, Figma ya, Figma is Figma ya. Maybe just it for the Figma from me. You want
No, maybe we choose Figma.
yeah, we choose Figma because the Figma is more simple, and then the tool is yeah, more useful lah ya. Yeah, and then there is choose uh, for the size ya. Okay, maybe just that from us. Maybe one. Okay.
Maybe
That's
that's
all
all
from
from
me.
us.
Yeah.
Thank you for your
nice
watching.
attention.
Yes, watching my video.
Yeah.
That's all from me. That's all from us. Assalamualaikum
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.